Have you ever heard a parrot speak with such clarity that it feels like you're having a real conversation? In New Zealand, the kea and kaka parrots are famous for this exact talent. Keas, known for their playful nature, have been recorded mimicking human phrases and even the sounds of machinery. Their intelligence and curiosity drive them to imitate the world around them. Meanwhile, the kaka parrot, with its rich vocabulary, often surprises visitors with phrases learned from their human companions. These parrots not only entertain, but also showcase the remarkable cognitive abilities of birds, revealing a deeper connection between humans and wildlife in New Zealand's stunning landscapes.